Alright, new exercise, exercise 2F. Now exercise 2F and exercise 2E has no big difference, except for the fact that exercise 2F is mostly, not mostly, all of the exercise is given in word form. That means it's the practical application of what we have learned in our previous exercise. So all we have to do is understand the word problem and come up with the simultaneous equations and then figure out how to solve it. So this is the question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 138 and their difference is 88. So find the two number. As we all know that the sum of the two numbers, the numbers that we have to find out, are unknown. So let's go to the solution. Let two unknown numbers be x and y. Now according to the question, the sum of these two numbers, that means sum means x plus y, the sum of these two numbers is 138. So I'm going to write down 138 and their difference is 88. So x minus y is equals to 88. Now we have got two simultaneous equations, as we can see, and we have to solve it. Any of the method that we have learned in the previous exercise 2F, either substitution method or elimination method. So I'm going to use the elimination method because I think it's easy for me. You can use the substitution method if you want. So to eliminate y variable, so x is equals to 1, 1, 3. Now I'm going to put this x, the value of x, in equation A, then we'll get the value of y. So the value of y is 25. Now the two numbers that we have to find out, one number is 113 and the other number is 25. Now exercise 2F, question number 2. The difference between two numbers is 10 and their sum is 4 times the smaller number. Find the two numbers. It is clear that among our two variable, and that those two variable are going to be x and y variable, one variable is going to be smaller and the other one is going to be bigger. So I'm going to write this like let bigger number be x and smaller number be y. So according to the given condition, it says that the difference of two numbers is 10. So this means that one equation is going to be x minus y is equals to 10. Another condition that has been given is the sum, their sum, that means the sum of the two variable is 4 times the smaller number, which means that their sum, that means the sum of our variable x and y is 4 times the smaller number. What is the smaller number? The smaller number is y, which means that the sum, that 4 times of y is 4y. So that's it. These are our two simultaneous equations. Now how are we going to solve this? So equation A is simple, but there is one thing which is not very difficult. As we can see that we have x plus y is equals to 4y. What we are going to do, as I've always told you, that just convert this equation into a regular form. So x plus y minus 4y is equals to 0, which means x minus 3y is equals to 0. Now this is our equation B in regular form now. Let's solve the simultaneous equation now. Okay, I'm going to write down x minus y is equals to 10, and this one x minus 3y is equals to 0. What am I going to do? I will eliminate x. So just simple, I will subtract a and b. Y is equals to 5. Now I'm going to put the value of y in equation A. X is equals to, this x will go on this side, will become plus. So plus 10 plus 5, x is equals to 15. Alright, question number 5 from exercise 2F, and this question is present in the intermediate level. So the two numbers are such that if 7 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained, and if 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number, and we have to find the two numbers. So as we all know, that our two numbers are going to be x and y. Okay, now we have to understand the given conditions, and here in this question we are reading first number. The relationship between x and y is through first number and the second number. So let's decide this. Let first number be x and second number be y. Now, as per the given condition, if 7 is added to the first number, what is the first number? First number is x. So 7 is added to first number means 7 plus x. A number twice the second number. What is the second number? Y is the second number. Twice the second number is obtained. That means what is the twice of y? Will be 2y. Okay, so this is the one equation. Now another equation, if 20 is added to the second number, what is our second number? Y. So 20 plus y, second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number. First number is x, and what is 4 times of x is 4x. Now these are our two equations, and we have to change them into regular form. A implies that x minus 2y is equals to minus 7. The 7 will go other side on the is equals to, and 2y will come here. And now the B, equation B implies that 4x plus y is equals to 20. This 4x will come on this side, and 20 will go on the other side. The sign will change. So now we have got equation in regular form. Let's call them C and D. Okay, how are we going to simultaneous equation? I'm going to do, as usual, I am going to do it with elimination method. And we have discussed this elimination method very in detail in exercise 2E. So I'm just doing it directly. Now question number 6 from exercise 2F. The sum of two numbers is 48, and if the smaller number is 1/5 of the larger number, find the two numbers. So as we all know, our two numbers are going to be, required numbers are going to be x and y. So the first equation is very simple, as we all know. It's going to be x plus y. The sum of two numbers is 48. Okay. Now if the smaller number, the second part of the question is, if the smaller number is 1/5 of the larger number, so here we have to establish which number is smaller and which number is larger. So I am going to write, let a smaller number be x and larger number be y. Now according to the given condition, the smaller number is 1/5 of the larger number. That means our smaller number is x. So x is equals to 1/5 of the larger number. 1/5 of what is the larger number? It's y. So it's 1/5 of the y. So here we have got two simultaneous equation. This first equation, equation A, is fine, but the second equation I have to change it in a regular form so that I can subtract or add them as required. So this one is the B. What am I going to do with the B? Cross multiply. That means 5x is equals to y. Now regular form, 5x, this y will go on the other side and become minus y is equals to 0. Now we have got two equations, C and A, and we have to treat those two equations. So this is C, and I'm going to write down A, that is x plus y is equals to 48. Simple. I'm going to eliminate y by adding C and A. 5x plus x is 6x is equals to 48. Which means x is equals to 8. Plus y is equals to 48, which means y will stay in this side of this equals to, and this 8 will go on the other side. So 48 with minus sign, it will go on the other side, will become minus 8. 48 minus 8 is 40. So here are the two numbers. The larger number is 40 and the smaller number is 8.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.